Once you've got the basics running, Home Assistant's advanced features are where things get genuinely powerful. Here are 7 automation concepts that separate beginner setups from truly intelligent homes. Number 1. Reliable presence detection. The biggest automation trigger in any home. Is anyone home? Is only as good as your presence detection. Combine 3 methods: phone GPS zones, local Wi-Fi ping, and Bluetooth low-energy proximity. Use the built-in person entity, which aggregates these into one reliable state. Single-method presence detection causes false triggers. 3 combined methods give you 99% accuracy. Number 2. Blueprint automations. Blueprints are pre-built automation templates shared by the Home Assistant community. Instead of writing YAML from scratch, you install a blueprint and fill in a few fields. Which sensor, which light, what delay. You get a working automation in 2 minutes. Find blueprints at community.homeassistant.io under Blueprints Exchange. Motion-activated lights, wake-up routines, and away mode templates are all available and widely tested. Number 3. Conditions. A condition prevents an automation from running when it's not appropriate. The simplest example: you have a motion-activated light, but you don't want it to fire in the middle of the day when there's enough natural light. Add a condition. Only trigger if lux sensor is below 200. Add conditions to every automation that might behave unexpectedly in certain situations. They're the difference between a smart automation and an annoying one. Number 4. Input helpers. Helpers are virtual entities you create in Home Assistant that represent states you can control manually. Create a drop-down helper called House Mode with states home, away, sleep, and guest. Then build automations that check this mode before acting. One change to the house mode triggers the right set of automations for that context. It's the cleanest way to manage complex multi-state home behavior. Number 5. Script sequences. A script is a reusable block of actions in Home Assistant. Instead of putting the same 5 actions into 3 different automations, put them in one script and call the script from each automation. Change the script once and all 3 automations update automatically. This keeps your automation logic clean and maintainable as your setup grows. Number 6. Scene management. A scene in Home Assistant saves a snapshot of device states, light brightness, color temperature, switch states, and can be activated from an automation, a voice command, or an NFC tag. Create scenes for movie night, dinner, morning, and sleep, and activate them from any trigger you choose. Scenes created in the GUI don't require any YAML at all. Number 7. Template sensors. Template sensors are virtual sensors calculated from other sensor values. Average temperature across 3 rooms. Combined presence of all household members. Maximum humidity in the house. These synthetic sensors behave like real sensors in dashboards and automations. They're created in configuration.yaml or via the helper UI and open up automation logic that would otherwise require complex conditions. Start with presence detection. It's the most impactful improvement to any automation system. Then add conditions to your existing automations to make them smarter. The others are powerful tools that become valuable as your setup grows. Follow for more advanced Home Assistant tips every day.